A look at innovative semiconductor manufacturing in Villach. Infineon Technologies is one of the world's leading providers of semiconductors and system solutions in the areas of energy efficiency, mobility, and security. Infineon products make an important contribution to a secure and livable future. The Austrian city of Villach is the home base for Infineon's production site, most strongly oriented towards research. It carries important expertise in international manufacturing activities. Over the past 40 years, what was once a small diode factory has grown to become the largest private employer in the region. In approximately 20,000 square meter cleanroom space, the technology of the future is developed at the highest possible quality standards. Microchips are produced in so-called clean rooms. Airlock systems control access to the clean rooms. This includes putting on special clean room clothing in the clothing airlocks. Controlled airflows and filter systems ensure a nearly particle-free environment. Preparation takes place on the upper story. 5.2 million cubic meters of air are exchanged here every hour. Hundreds of air volume control units ensure a constant rate of flow. 28 liters of normal ambient air contain about 1 million dust particles. An average hospital operating room has about 10,000 dust particles. In a Class 1 clean room, there's only one particle, with a diameter of over 0.5 micrometers. That's 100 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. The cleanroom technology also guarantees a constant indoor climate. The temperature is 22.7 degrees Celsius. The air humidity is 40.4%. The facility is in operation 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In Villach, microchips are developed and produced for applications in automotive and industrial electronics. One focus is power semiconductors, the key to the energy resource of the future, energy efficiency. The core expertise area of thin wafer technology is leading edge. The thinner the wafer, i.e. the silicon wafer and thus also the chips, the lower the resistance when transmitting electricity. Losses are minimized and the end applications make better use of energy. Higher productivity in the manufacturing process is achieved with wafers having larger diameters. The result? Silicon wafers thinner than a sheet of paper with a diameter of 30 centimeters. A daunting challenge for processing. Infineon is the only semiconductor manufacturer in the entire world to have mastered series production of 300 millimeter thin wafer technology for power semiconductors. Production is supported by the site's active energy management. The basement level contains the entire supply and removal infrastructure for the clean room and the production facilities. Water is prepared and purified, the temperature and air humidity in the clean room is regulated, and chemicals are recycled. Villach is the most energy-efficient semiconductor factory in the corporate group, in accordance with the matrix certification under several standards. Infineon Austria has been using the environmental management systems EMAS since 1997. Within the corporate group, Villach is the innovation factory with production lines for 100, 150, 200 and 300 millimeter diameter wafers. Smaller diameters are primarily appropriate to the requirements of specific research topics. For example, the highly innovative silicon carbide and gallium nitride technologies. Micro-electromechanical systems, or MEMS, have been produced at the Villach site since 2008. MEMS are used, for example, as tire pressure sensors in vehicles and in silicon microphones in smartphones. Production of MEMS is highly demanding, since the extremely thin membranes involved have to be absolutely free of defects. Here, the highest conceivable demands on quality are fulfilled. There are about 10 central basic processing steps in semiconductor manufacturing, which are repeated several times for each product. As many as 500 or more processing steps are necessary in order to manufacture a single given product. The current portfolio of the Villach front-end plant includes approximately 1,900 different products. In order to guarantee fulfillment of the highest quality requirements throughout the entire process, individual manufacturing steps are permanently monitored using RFID technology. Every wafer can be located precisely at any particular time. One of these central manufacturing steps is referred to as phototechnology. This process is applied several times with all technologies. Light is used to transfer an image from a photomask to a photosensitive coating. In subsequent steps, exposed areas are etched away and processed in accordance with the application in question. The structure of the chip takes shape. The channel widths are many hundreds of times smaller than the width of a human hair. Control inspections are made regularly between the individual manufacturing steps. Here, highly modern measuring devices ensure compliance with quality parameters. Production at Villach is certified according to the quality standard ISO 9001 and for the specific requirements of the automotive industry in ISO TS 16949. This is in compliance with the highest demands and thus a guarantee for top quality. More than 1 billion microchips leave the plant at Villach every month. They fulfill the highest quality criteria and are used around the world in industrial production, lighting, in modern vehicles, in entertainment electronics, and in generation of renewable energies. A living culture of innovation and the highest quality are the drivers of the worldwide success of Infineon. Semiconductor manufacturing by Infineon Technologies Austria in Villach, the spearhead of innovation.